Namaste student, myself JB Nanshika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Our subject is Basic Enzymology and today's session is IUB enzyme classification with specific example. So we have already discussed what is enzyme and what are the types of enzyme. So the first classification of enzyme is oxidoreductase. Oxidoreductases are involved in redox reaction. Its example is dehydrogenase, in which removal of hydrogen, and oxidase, in which add oxygen to hydrogen and forming water. Next of classification is transferases. They transfer a group of atoms from one molecule to another, and its general equation is A minus X plus B, which gives out reversible reaction like Bx plus A. Its example is transaminase, in which transfer amino group from one molecule to another, and photo and phosphortransferase, in which transfer of phosphate group. The next class is hydrolases, in which catalyzes hydrolysis of substrate by addition of water, and its general equation is A minus X plus H2O, which gives out reversible reaction XOH plus HA. The example is maltase. In this, maltose broken to 2 glucose and lipase, lipid broken down to fatty acid and glycerol. Fourth one is lyases, in which breaks chemical bonds without adding water, and its general equation is A minus B, which gives out A is equal to B plus X minus Y, and its example is decarboxylases, in which remove carboxyl group from respiratory substrate to release carbon dioxide. Next, fifth class is isomerases. In this, catalyzes conversion of one isomer to another by transferring a group of atoms from one molecule to another. And then sixth class is ligases, in which catalyzes the synthesis of new chemical bonds using ATP. Its example is DNA ligase, is involved in DNA synthesis. Then next, this is the classification of enzyme using IUB classification. So first of all, what is IUB? So IUB full form is International System of Nomenclature. So in this enzyme classification, based on their reaction they catalyze, usually the enzymes are named by adding the suffix "ase" to the name of their substrate or to a word describing their activities. Like urease catalyzes the hydrolysis of urea. So in this, biochemist follows systematic rules for the nomenclature and classification of enzyme. So rules for the nomenclature and classification enzyme were prepared by International Union of Biochemistry, IUB, in 1964. IUB is not IUBMB, means International Union for of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology. In the IUBS system, each enzyme has a name and a unique identification number. So in this system, each enzyme consists of two part, name of the substrate and followed by the word ending "ase" is specifying the reaction. Like example, alcohol dehydrogenase. Okay, so there are 7 major classes of this classification based on their reaction they catalyze, and based on the 4-digit unique number, this is called EC. And then 6 classes are oxidative, transferases, hydrolysis, lyases, isomerases, ligase, and translocation we have already discussed below. So this is all about the IUB enzyme classification with specific examples. So this video, hope you like this video, or this video is powered by JVW Digital 2.0, and if you have any query, write down in comment section.